So what's up YouTube? What's up Bully community? Thank you for watching this video. So a couple of things that I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about is Hxd Editing, which is not really fun because this shit breaks a lot. Trust me, it fucking breaks. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to teach you guys how to be able to mod this. You know, I'm not gonna try to fuck up shit. Also, I wanted to thank you guys for 1,600 subs, man. Damn. Also, if I could get like 500 likes down below, that'd be pretty much appreciated. You guys have been really helping me out with YouTube and all this stuff, so thank you guys so much. But yeah, so this is going to be a video about Hxd Editing, which the first thing that you're going to need to do is download Hxd Editing, Hxd Editor, or whatever it is. You're also going to want to download Notepad++, just because we're also going to cover a couple of things like changing stats, but I'll probably do that in another video because this one's going to be lengthy enough too. Okay, so first of all, if you have this mod, you already have the V2 mod, go ahead and open it up. You're going to go to Object, and this is the one that you're going to want to this is the one that you're going to want to edit, the first one, ide.img. So we're going to go ahead and right click. It's going to probably look different on your computer, don't worry about that. Show more. We are going to do open with, and you're going to find Hxd Editor. If you don't find it there, go ahead and choose another app, you know, and then just look for Hxd Editor, wherever you put it. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. Yes sir, open it up. Okay, so first things first, a lot of people don't like Jimmy NPC. Not a problem, he's right here, he's under the player. Go ahead and change this. Normally you're going to see it like this. Now this is enabling him in free roam. We're going to take him out because people don't like him. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's just it. He's already gone. Now I also want you to go ahead and pull up the Wikipedia for all the characters in the game. If you don't like people in the game, this is basically going to teach you how to make your own mod. You know, so you'll be able to take out the players that you characters that you don't like, or the characters that you do like. Now in this mod, it enables a lot of characters. Oops, what the hell? Okay. Now in this mod, it enables a lot of characters. So if you don't like them, you know, just go ahead and pull up their information. So what I did in a couple of characters. Let's say Biff. You don't like Biff. So first way that you're going to be able to search Biff, his first outfit, is by hitting all, find Biff. This is going to be Biff. Okay, so if you don't like Biff, just go ahead and look for the global thing. You're going to see it there. And you just hit, basically, yeah. Now, if you're looking for an outfit of Biff, let's say he's in his boxing outfit, and you don't like that, go ahead and pull this up. You know, since we're already here, gonna hit forward. It's gonna go down, and then after N Biff, it's gonna move on to his next coding. There we are. And this is the Biff that you're looking for. Now, there are different types of outfits. I think one character has like 3 outfits, and you're going to be able to find it. One is going to be his other outfit, which is like his gym outfit, and then the other one is going to be a Halloween outfit. Whether that character has like a Halloween outfit. For Biff, he has one that he's beat up. So there's another kind of Biff, but a beat up one, with a boxing style. But yeah, is basically it. Let's see if I can find how to. Yeah, he's activated. So if you don't like this Biff, you know, just go ahead and remove him. Easy as that. And then you hit save. Now the next thing that I wanted to go ahead and teach you guys is changing fighting styles. V2 offers a lot of fighting styles, I think, that you guys haven't seen in the game, but it does not add in the fighting AI, or the boss AI that the bosses use. That's a different thing. So with changing fighting styles, okay, let's do Johnny, for example. This is gonna be a good example. Okay, so with fighting styles, you're gonna see Johnny, blah 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 blah, and here, stat G Johnny. After a stat, it's always gonna put their fighting styles after a stat. So remember that. So the stat, that's the stat, 3 dots, this is going to be the fighting style. It ends after N Johnny. The length is going to be 74. So you want to hit copy, paste it onto Notepad. Okay. So this is going to be the first example of swapping, you know, fighting styles. So we're going to swap it with, yeah, let's go with Lucky. That's fine. So we're going to swap it with Lucky. Now with Lucky, the stat of his name is going to be G Striker A. Now this is his fighting style. There you go. So that's going to be the fighting style. Now, if you notice, it's the same length with Johnny's, so we have no problem swapping that. So what you want to do, let's go ahead and copy this. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, which it looks like that. It looks weird on my PC, but I promise you it's gonna have all the dots and everything's gonna be fine. So that's basically the easiest way to go ahead and mod it, because it's the same length. So, oh shit, okay, wait, yeah, it's the same length, it just looks different. So it's 74, who's messaging me? 74, so 74 length. Now, what do you do if it's a different length? Now, what I mean by this is because if you didn't know, adding code into Hxd Editor for Bully crashes the game. Taking code away from Hxd Editor crashes the game. It's really sensitive, and when you don't know what you're doing, it's a pain in the ass. So let's say, for example, you didn't want to do that. You know, you made a mess. I don't want you to hit save right away because this is going to mess up. I also want to make sure that you make a backup for this because, dude, you're going to fuck up. Trust me, you're going to mess up. Everyone messes up. It's perfectly fine. Everyone does it. So make a backup. You know, go ahead and, let's see. Where the hell? Go ahead and hit copy, put it on your desktop or something. I hate this. Okay, yeah, put it on your desktop or something. Make a backup for it. So if you fuck up with this, you can pull this in here, okay? But also, if you mess up here, Ctrl Z undoes the last thing that you did, okay? So you're going to be able to fix whatever you fucked up. Okay, so let's go into changing a stat that is not the same length. Now, changing a stat, it's going to be a lot harder because it's not the same length. Now, for example, let's do... Okay, we don't need the second one. Remember, the second one's from Lucky, first one's from Johnny. We're gonna do Russell. So, remember... Oh wait, that's not Russell. Sorry, there are gonna be a couple of things that does not put, you know, because this is Ted. Ted actually has Russell in his coding, but it's like just a name. It's nothing really that important. So you're gonna go forward. Wait, what's this? Oh, that's Johnny. He has it too. Forward. Now, here he is. sorry, it's gonna be a little bit confusing doing it this way. I've seen a couple of people do it a different way, which is a lot better. Oh shit. Alright, well, I already did it with this guy. Let's go forward. Okay, here we are. Well, this is going to be Gary. BJ's, but it's whatever. Possibly the same thing. Let's see. Stat. Okay, so here you see the stat, right? It's after the stat. This is going to be the fighting style. It's not the same length, 68, which, let's see. So this is going to be Gary. We're going to swap it with Johnny. Okay, the length of the 68. Yeah. So with swapping these two, you can't do it. You cannot do it, dude. I mean, you can. You still can, but you're gonna have to take away someone if you don't want to see them in free roam. Okay? So, let's do this, for example. Now, when changing something, it's going to always ask you this. You know, because it knows that it's gonna break the game. But we're aware. So since he has Johnny's fighting style now, he's gonna be moving like Johnny. Everything, not everything is gonna be Johnny. He's still gonna have the same model as Johnny, just his fighting style. So since we added code already, there's extra code in there, so we can't do that because it's gonna break the game. So the way that we have to do it is that we have to change Johnny now. If that makes any sense. So see, after stat, it's always gonna be here. So since this was 74, Control V. So now we gave him the Nemesis fighting style, which that's perfectly fine. It's still gonna work because we took away code. So a while we added in code when we swapped it. When we put this over Gary, we added in code. But now that we put this over Johnny, we took away code. Does that make any sense? I hope that makes sense. Yeah. If that doesn't make any sense, I'll try to explain better in the comments. Alrighty. Sorry about that. I started getting confused, and I didn't want to put that in, but I was mixing in fighting styles. I wasn't prepared for this video. Okay, give me a break. But yeah, I started getting confused. But what I was trying to explain next is, so what do you want to do if you want to put in a fighting style of someone? Okay, so what do you want to do if you want to put a fighting style of someone that's on 74 length, and you want to put it over someone that, you know, doesn't have the same length? But remember, you have to make it balanced, because if it's not balanced, it's going to break the game. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put, this is Johnny, okay? So Johnny's fighting style, let's say that you wanted to put it over Damon, right? Let's do that. So this is the second outfit. We're going to put it on the Halloween one. That's why I labeled it. So that's why I labeled that there. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and put it on the Halloween one. So here we are. Now remember that the length is 78. Now this is taking away code. So it's going to break the game. So in order to balance this, we need to put his code on someone else. Now, what I was trying to explain is that we're gonna have to put this on a character that is not in free roam, so it doesn't break the game. Okay? So what we're gonna do, just for an example, we're gonna put it on Johnny, on the other one, on the free roam Johnny. So this is the first one. We're gonna go to his second outfit. After G Johnny, oh sorry, after N Johnny, it's gonna move on to his second outfit. So here we are. So since we took away code, we're now adding code to the game and giving it that balance. Okay, so there we are. So we went ahead and changed his fighting style, but because we don't really care about this Johnny, or we're not going to see it that much, we're going to just label it as FFF. So the only time that you're going to see this Johnny is in the mission, but if you're at the end of the game, you don't really care. Yeah, you basically. So just to recap, we went ahead and put this over Damon, because let's say that you want to see Damon's Halloween outfit with his fighting style. So we went ahead and put that over here, and we dumped off this fighting style into another ped that we're not going to be using. So, you know, basically you have to make it balanced, because if it's not balanced, it's going to break the game. So, you know. Alrighty, with that being said, guys, I think pretty much that's it. If you have any questions down below, put it in the comments. Also, please drop a like just to let me know if you've been enjoying this video. The next thing that I'm going to go ahead and start talking about is stats in the game. Okay, we're going to go ahead and create new stats. We're going to be able to see about what stats do in the game so that you'll be able to mod that too. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.